kwenzeka umcimbi osenhlizweni yami kuthiwa i-masterclass. I-masterclass ila abasebenzi bomkhandlu besebenza belihlangana nabanye abasebenzi beminye imikhandlu kanye nama-universities, ongoti, nama-stakeholders, COGTA, office lika Premier, ukuzokhuluma ngokubaluleka kwe-client phecelezi abantu abathola idingo emkhandlwini.
Very excited today that we are sharing this platform with the eThekwini municipality about the work that we are doing under the customer satisfaction, customer service that we are expected to provide as a government. Also, the experience that people get when they come to government is the one that satisfies them, is the one that leaves them with that impression that indeed this is a caring government.
Phansi ngokungathatha kwengcingo phansi nokuthi abantu mase bereportile izinto okuthathe iminyaka eminingi noma izinyanga eziningi ngenzeki. Sithi indawo zethu ayihlanzeke kwenzeke konke kahle. Ngakho ke ngazibophezela njengeme ngasikhathi ngithatha izintambo ukuthi siyawuqeqesha abasebenzi ngebathuphili principle, abantu phambili, ngoba uma singakwenzi lokho ngeke kube impumelelo emkhandlweni. Ngifuna ukubonga kuMama Barbara Fontaine kanye noBaba uSipho Cele kanye noMavuso noDimakatso Mavundla ngokuqinisekisa ukuthi lolu hlelo liyenzeka.
We are saying congratulations for eThekwini municipality for providing this platform where we are sharing between the provincial government and eThekwini Metro municipality.